What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're doing my most requested bridal hair for the season. I know the season just started, but for me it's like didn't just start because we've been hammered with weddings. But um so first I'm just brushing the hair out and parting it to my desired part. This is preference, obviously, and we are going to start curling the hair. I like to use a wand. I feel like I have more control with a wand than anything else. And when you curl the hair, you want to twist the pieces as you're putting it on the iron. So you don't want the pieces to be flat against the iron. You kind of want to twist it so it looks a little bit more round. The twisting is what's going to give you that Hollywood wave effect. If you do it flat, you're probably not going to get the same effect. So if you see it looks a little bit more round, they don't look flat against the iron, that's what you want to do. Super easy hairstyle. It's been around forever. It's just right now it's trending. But you know, celebrities would do this back in the day, probably since before we were born. So, yeah, just curl, curl, curl. I think I burnt myself there. That's why you see the face. And you want to take chunkier sections, not not too fat of sections, but not regular size sections either, kind of like a little bit more than a regular size, because that's what's going to give you like the wave versus a curl. But it's really preference as well too. Some people like more of a really loose wave with this look, and some people like more of a curl. Personally, I like more of a curl with this look, especially being that I have so much hair. But that's, you know, that's preference. You just through your consultation, you just figure out what kind of curl they're looking for, and that's how you determine like the amount of hair per section. And here I'm just curling again. Yay. For the amount of hair that I have, this did not take me that long at all to do. Granted, I'm going to start pulling the curls to give it more of that wave look. I didn't do it in the back because I just didn't feel like it was necessary for the video. But yeah, it didn't take me very long for this hairstyle. Here again, it's preference. I like a nice lift, not too high, not too like short, I guess, kind of in the middle. So I teased that, and now I'm just pulling the waves, making it more wavy. And then you just kind of want to like connect it. I didn't do it here, but for brides, I'll like pull the hair to the wave that I like and then spray it, and then go to the next one, pull and then spray, just so it stays. That's the way I would do it. See there, I just kind of like sprayed it all at once because like, I don't know, it's just me for this hairstyle, but you get the idea. And just smooth out that tease, make sure it's nice and smooth. And you see, there it is. There's that Hollywood effect. And we're just going to do the same thing on the other side. Oh, it looks like I did do a little bit in the back, but I didn't really focus on it too much. And I feel like with this look, you need a clip. You need some type of hair piece. I feel like it just brings it all together, but again, that's preference. My opinion, you need a piece. And that's pretty much it, guys. That is the hairstyle. Hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to follow me on all social media accounts. Like this video, comment, let me know what you guys would like to see next. And be on the lookout for part 2 of this video. I'm going to do the most requested makeup look for brides. And yeah, I will see y'all in that video. Peace out.